Hey guys, Mr. Mitsubishi here, YouTube channel that covers a lot of Outlander and a lot of accessory stuff. Beautiful day today, so we're gonna install a very nice accessory. It's a bumper protector plate and it's in chrome. So this is one of those things that finishes off the vehicle really nice, and it has a practical use as well. So if you're putting your stuff in and out, a lot of times, you know, those bumpers are so scratched up, so you want to protect the bumper. Plus it also makes a very nice visual enhancement as well. So it comes in shipped like in a box like this. Now let's open a box and let's just put it on. So this is how it comes in a box, protected in extra plastic, and the install process is very simple. It's basically like a triple tape right here. So here on the edge, here and here, and then you remove this protective plastic and then line it up with the bumper. And just stick it on essentially, right? So this is how it looks. Okay, now we find the perfect place for it. And okay. Right here. Okay, so this part, basically the middle part, matches up with this like latch right here. And then you can see where on the bumper line you want to be, right? So you can see that it has to follow this curve right here, and so it's quite easy to line it up. Okay, now that we found the perfect spot, we'll remove the these tapes here. If you do it for the first time, just don't rush. Line everything up first and then proceed. Okay. Remember how it has to follow the bumper line? It's quite easy. Okay. First we apply a little pressure. A little bit more. There we go. Now it shines a lot. It's beautiful. Looks beautiful. Nice day. Now let's close it down. We'll see from a distance how it looks, what kind of visual effect it makes. There we go. You can notice it right away, and looks excellent. This is that subtle thing, you know, there's a little bit of a change, not too much, but goes really well together with the rest of the chrome we have going on the vehicle. So there we go. This was just an easy install of bumper protector plate. Very nice accessory, very easy to do it yourself. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're interested in more videos like this, I have a lot more on my YouTube channel. Just feel free to browse the channel. So thank you again, and see you in the next videos.